In front of me is OUKITEL WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Now select App Notifications at the top and click on Most Recent. Now it's time to select one of those options to sort your apps, in my case by most frequent notifications. Then click on any of those switchers next to any of your apps to block all notifications from them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same No Gray switchers. If you want to, you can also select any app on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!